Hey guys, are you ready for phonics today? Here we go. Remember, you say the sound that the letter UC makes. Ready? Here we go. E, bull, cool, y, z. U, consonant E says you. Good job. Gl, sk, full, sk, g, e, j, k, O, consonant E says O. Mm, n, b. I, consonant E says I. T, qu, k, sp, f. E, consonant E says E. Good job. V, st, d, ah. Pull. Oh, this one was the hard one. TCH says ch. Very good. Ah. X. A, consonant E says A. P, k, sm. W, s, sn. Ch. Great job, guys. All right. So here we go. Now, I'm going to say a sound, and I want you to write the letter or letters that make that sound, okay? Now, this first one is going to be a little tricky, okay? But we're going to have to think about last week's phonics skill and see if we can remember what the second way to make this sound is, okay? So now we know two ways to make this sound, okay? Remember, I want you to write your sound on your table with your finger as big as you can, all right? Two ways to make this sound. A. A. Now, I know the first one is A, consonant. E says A, right? We know that. But last week, we learned about open and closed syllables. If I have an open syllable, we know that the second way to spell A is just with an A, but it has to be in an open syllable, right? So, A, consonant. E says A says A. Great job. That was kind of a tricky one to start with. Here we go. Pull, pull. P, L says pull. Very good. Itchy. I says I. Good job. Sh, sh. This one was our checklist sound. What is sh? S-H says sh. Very good. Here we go. We know three ways to make this sound. Are you ready? I want to see all three of them. Three ways. K. Here we go. C says k. K says k. C, K says k. Very good. All right. Let's move into blending some silly words. All right. Here we go. There's that sh. Sh. Ep. Shep. Brr, ack, brack. Good job. Oh, magic E. Mome, Good job. Climb. There we go, because there's that magic E again. Here we go. Chot. Great job. All right, here we go. We're going to practice our vowel sounds. Remember, I want you to point to your screen and show me which sound you hear in this word. Here we go. Ready? Mutt. 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 You. Very good. Lop. Lop. Op. Lop. Oh, very good. My next word, sat. Sat. A. Very good. My next word, lit. It. I. Very good. Ooh, our last word, met. Met. At. E. Very good. All right, let's review all of our sounds from our first quarter. Here we go. Talkative Phil's already up there, but we're gonna ignore him for just a little bit. All right. I'm gonna move Miss Gates way down to the bottom so we can see everything. Here we go. We have 5 vowels. Remember vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and they say their sound, right? They say their sound unless there's a vowel team, a magic E, or we learned last week, open syllable, right? So they can say their sounds or they can say their names. We know that we can use a C for the K sound, a K for the K sound, or a CK for a K sound. Remember, CK normally comes at the end of a word behind a short vowel that says its sound. Okay? Last week we learned about open and closed syllables. Open syllables, the vowel says its name. Closed syllables, the vowel says its sound. We've learned about blends, 2 letters that we kind of pull together to make one sound, but they can be separated. We have learned about Miss Fizzle and her 2 F's, her 2 S's, 2 Z's, and 2 L's after a short vowel sound. We learned about the CH brother, chuck, and the second way we make the ch sound, TCH, which comes at the end of a word with a short vowel sound. We learned about Magic E, who gives her power to her friends, the other vowels, if they need help saying their names. And then we also learned about the H brother, Whit, the H brother, Theo, and the H brother, Shane. All right? Great job. What I want you to do, I need you to get out your phonics journal or your whiteboard so that you are ready for phonics video number 2 and our new skill for the week. See you in a minute.